Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Larry. Welcome to my channel, The L Life, where we talk about bundles and makeup and bundles and bundles and feelings and important things like bundles. So if you guys like all those things, yeah, you're gonna enjoy this video. So what I wanted to film was a burgundy kind of red-haired makeup look for the office. So I'm a working 9-to-5 office woman, and I love wigs. I love bundles. Like I said before, if you didn't get that, please rewind to the beginning where you hear me talk about bundles, okay? So I love bundles. I love changing my hair color, but I work in an office, so I do a 9-to-5. So having like really red hair or blue hair is something that's probably not appropriate, probably not the best thing to do. So I kind of thought, hey, why don't I come up with a video for the 9-to-5 woman that wants a little red splash burgundy color but doesn't want to walk into the office with purple hair or red hair. Not that there's anything wrong with it. It isn't. There are some environments that are totally okay with that. There are some environments that are not okay with that. Mine is a little bit of the mix, and yeah, I just want something that's versatile, I can wear all the time. We are on a budget, so we don't want to spend a lot of hair on money. Ugh, reverse. We don't want to spend a lot of money on hair that we can only wear like on the weekends because it's a very vibrant, very bright, very look at me color. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in this burgundy hair, as you can see, burgundy red plum hair, then stay tuned.
Okay guys, so here I'm just going to go through all the things that you need. You'll need the bleach. I use L'Oreal Quick Blue. I use 40 volume developer. 30 volume developer works. You just want something that'll lift the hair. You'll need a bowl, a whisk, or a plastic spoon. And also I have my moisturizer and my shampoo ready to go. You'll need brushes to put the bleach on. And you'll also need gloves. Those are very important. And then also you'll need your hair. So I used a 22-inch bundle, a 20-inch bundle, an 18-inch bundle, and a 16-inch 360 frontal. And here I'm showing you the color of red I used. I used Color Tango by Wella. So I used the 3V Dark Plum on the longest length of hair. And then on the 20-inch bundle and the 18-inch bundle and the frontal, I used the Wella color, the 6RRV, which is a Cabernet color. It's a really great color. So yeah. Okay, and then just right here, I'm showing you guys how I'm mixing my bleach. So with the bleach mixture, you want to make sure your mixture is liquidy. You don't want it to be a paste. You want to make sure that you use the least amount of bleach as possible to lift your hair, because sis, bleach is too expensive, child. Way too expensive to be using an entire tub of bleach. So that is just what I am showing you guys here. Okay, so now you can apply your bleach mixture. So what I'm doing is I'm applying the bleach mixture to my ends first because I want those to process first. I want them to be the lightest. So I want those to be the most red. Then I'm going up the shaft of the hair and make sure I'm coloring it evenly. You want to make sure that your bleach is distributed all throughout your hair. So if you see here, now I'm taking a comb and I'm combing it through the hair and flipping it over and making sure I get as much bleach on here as I possibly can. I want to make sure my hair is coated. And if you guys notice near the weft of the bundle, I'm not putting bleach on there because I want this to go from black to red gradually. Because like I said, this is for the office. It's 9 to 5. We don't want bright red all over hair. We want it to look natural, but we still want to be able to see the color, which is why we're using the bleach. Okay, and then here I'm just showing you a quick clip of me feathering the hair. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking my brush and I'm basically combing it through the hair because I want the red to gradually show through. I don't want a hard line of where the black starts or where the black stops and where the red begins. I want it to fade into it, so I'm just feathering this through the hair. And now I'm just showing you how I lighten the hair. So I lighten the hair about 3 levels and let it process for about 20 minutes. Here I'm just showing you how I lifted the frontal. So I basically took it in sections and just copied the same process that I did with the bundles, making sure not to bleach all of the hair because like I said, we want this to be gradual. We want the black to fade into the red. And I let the frontal process for about 20-25 minutes also because you don't want it to get too bright like blonde like you see my hair in certain shots. You don't want it to be too bright. You want it to lift probably about, I would say, 3 to 4 levels. The wig looks like, so I added some highlights in the front just to bring out some more color in this. Okay guys, so here I am showing you this because I don't want you guys to make the same mistake. So I try to do the watercolor method with this. And what I learned is the watercolor method works best with semi-permanent dyes because those are more of a liquid consistency. This was a paste. So as you can see, when I squeeze it in there, it does not liquefy. I try to mix it. It doesn't get the right color. It is not working. So if you want to do the watercolor method with this, make sure you use like an Adore dye or semi-permanent dye that has a liquid consistency and not a paste because it will not work. So I'm showing you guys this because I don't want you to make the same mistake that I made, but thankfully I had some 20 volume developer that I could use with the hair because you are actually supposed to use 10 or 20 volume developer with this hair, which is why you should follow the instructions because That is what instructions are made for. They are made for following a process. So after I said, Larry, sis, that's not working, I used a 20 volume developer and I mixed the dye with it. So I'm just showing you a consistency of what it should look like. This is a second reason why you should not lift the color too high, because the 20 volume developer, along with the color, it'll lift the hair. Which is going to cause further more damage. So you don't want to lift way too high. And so here I'm just showing you guys how I'm mixing, trying to get the correct consistency. And then once I've gotten that, then I will apply it to the hair and I will let it process. I think I let it process for about 20 to 30 minutes and I was able to get the red color that I wanted. So now I'm just applying the red dye the same way I applied the bleach all over the parts that have already been lifted. And I'm even applying some of it to the black because it will lift it slightly. And like I said, I'll let this process for about 25 minutes. And then this is what your hair should look like.
I love it. I will probably post some more pictures on my Instagram. Again, follow me at LuverChanel, LuverChanel on Instagram, just to catch up with me and see what I'm doing, see what I'm talking about. But I will post some really good pictures on here. When you're in the light, it does look red. Every time I went somewhere, someone was like, girl, your hair look purple. Like, girl, your hair look red. Your hair is so, so, so cute. So yeah, and hope you enjoy.